At 90,000 per coin, Bitcoin is too expensive to buy, right? I hear you. So what else can you do if you don't have the spare cash to buy it then? You could of course get a mining rig and try mining at home, but that's also too costly and too complex. So why don't I share with you a new mining startup that are simplifying Bitcoin mining and making it affordable with a super low entry point so anyone can try it for themselves. And this is nothing like the usual heat-intense and energy-wasteful rig that you would set up in your garage if you want to mine Bitcoin from home. I'm talking about a digital smart contract run mining that can cost you under $50 to get started and mine. Interested? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Corner with myself, OJ, crypto analyst and investor since 2016. And in today's episode, I'm talking about mining. Why? Well, mining crypto for some time now has been this crazy expensive thing with all the gear, all the noise and all the setup hassles, definitely not for everyone. But this blockchain startup is flipping the whole idea on its head. They've made it so anyone can mine Bitcoin without actually owning any of the clunky equipment. This is something that I used to do back in 2016 up to 2017, and in 2018 actually, when the mining difficulty went up so much, I stopped. So fast forward to today, and now we have the same method, but this time your contract is in the form of a non-fungible token. But no, I'm not talking about cartoon NFTs, non-fungible tokens, as you know, are simply smart contracts, smart tokens that carry extra data and that are pre-programmable. So they can serve as digital signature or a digital contract, a digital certificate of any sort, and for whatever service or product that they're issued for. And in this case, they're issued for mining contracts. So I don't have to store any hardware, there is no physical tech, no clutter around me, nothing to be noisy. I get daily rewards in Bitcoin, no stress, no mess. It's a super cool way to make mining simple and open to everyone, whether you're a crypto pro or just dipping your toes into the space, so to speak. So, of course, when I first heard of gold mining, I had a few questions to see if it's worth giving it a try. First, how does it work? Second, is it going to be profitable in the long term? Third, how much do I have to spend? And fourth, what is the company growth prospects? Is this going to be a successful business? Will it grow in the near future? Well, it is not something that I can tell with any certainty, but I'm looking for signs that give me some confidence that it is worth a try. With any startup, there is potential and there is uncertainty, but if the odds are in your favor, then you know it's worth a shot. The good part is that it's very low entry price here, so you can test it with just one contract, and if you're happy with it, if everything works fine, then you can purchase more, or you can just increase the energy, the cost and the power of your contract. That's great, because it means that I can just dip my toes in the water before I decide to dive in. So first, how does it work? Well, I bought a contract, I got an NFT, this is it here, you can see this is my dashboard, and this is here my proof of purchase and ownership. This is what NFTs are great for. It's no longer just memes and apes, you know. This non-fungible token represents the share in real mining equipment. Once you get one, you start earning Bitcoin daily, and the best part, rewards start rolling in just 24 hours after you get it. This is why I recorded my purchase yesterday, so that today we can actually see already some of the rewards in my dashboard. But before I go into this, let's take a look at how do you make the purchase.
Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to create a miner, but of course you need to sign up first. So use your best email and move on. Alright, now I need to choose a password. Let's create the account. Okay, there we go. And the next step, of course, is to create a miner, or you can go for the trial period. Okay, so let's start the process. Create a miner. Now here I can choose between different powers. 1 terahash, 2 terahash, 4, 8, and so on and so forth. Of course, the more powerful it is, the more rewards I'm getting. So these are daily, monthly, and yearly rewards. And I can even go to higher efficiency with 15 watts per terahash. I'm making the best profits now. Here, look at that. When I go to 15, I'm looking at net reward. So this is the pure profit that I'm getting is 5,316 per year. And of course, I have some maintenance costs. This is the total that I'm making, 8,000, but I do have maintenance costs that I'm covering. So we are looking here at the net profit. Now, of course, for testing purposes, I'm not going to go for the most powerful. First, I'm going to test waters with, small amounts just to see how it works and everything. And then if I'm happy with how everything is going with the rewards and stuff, I will increase. I can either increase this one or just get another one, more powerful and everything. For the cheapest option here, the entry level, as I said already, is quite low, $36.99. So this is what I have to pay. So let's do that. And here, now depending on where you are, in what region, there might be different options. I'm getting even Revolut here, of course, bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay, everything. So a lot of options. Also with crypto, I can go with Go Mining, their own token, USD Tether, Ton Coin, and in fact I do have some Ton, so I will be using Ton. I can also use Binance Pay because I'm not in the States and I am using Binance, but let's try with Ton. Promo code corner. Okay, we got the discount, so $35 now I have to pay. Let's do it via Ton, and let's do that. So I have some Ton in my Trust wallet, so this is what I will be using. Let's scan this. Okay, and I need to send 6.24902383. Okay, there is a memo. So not only the address that I scanned, but there is also a memo tag that I need to add, and that is 1141. I am given some time to complete this transaction as I see now, so I still have 58 minutes, an hour. I'm given an hour to do this transaction. I'm still seeing here processing, so I'm going to wait a little bit. Maybe I will pause this video and come back to it when it's completed. All right, and from what I can see here on my screen is the transaction is completed, and there we have it. I have my miner. I can choose to upgrade it later. I will do that only after I test it and everything. Of course, I'm starting with the lowest 1 terahash, and I'm still here with the most energy efficient plan, which is 15 watts per terahash. Okay, and now let's see some details here. I go to mining farm, and possibly from tomorrow I'm going to start seeing my rewards. As of right now, there's nothing really to show because it's just getting started. Alright, so that was yesterday, and today we can already see in my dashboard I have rewards starting coming. These are some minor sats, but of course this is just one day, and let's not forget I only have the weakest, the least powerful miner, which is the the cheapest one as well, because I just wanted to test the waters. So I will run this for a week or something. I will see how it works. I will see that everything is fine, and once I make sure that I'm happy with how everything works, I can go and upgrade it. If I go to miners here, I can either upgrade this one, or I can even just go for another one. Maybe I just want to keep this one as my test, the way it is, and then the next one I get will be something more powerful, something like 256 TH, or maybe I will bump it even higher, because let's face it, this is not a big expense. If I want to make proper passive income, then I'm prepared to spend a few $1,000s in order to be able to just earn passively. And with something like this, which is 5,000 terahash,
Then we're talking about 5,000 monthly, $5,000 monthly. This for me is passive income. So this makes sense. And yeah, if we even go on the slightly more energy efficient plan, then we have almost 6,000 per month net. This is great. Per year, what is this? 72,000. Very good. And this is at current prices. So let's not forget that as well. So I can either add a new one or I can upgrade this one. What else do we have here? This is the mining farm where I'm participating. They do have different mining farms. Here I'm basically shown what is the mining farm that I'm taking part in. Here I start having some more data about my rewards. Of course, it's only been a day, so it's not that much data, but you can see that it's already start piling here. I can see what I'm making per day. Now also in the rewards tab, here I can see a list of my rewards. So day one is this one, then the next one will be added, and then so on. Now, as for their own token, Go Mining token, this is where you can get it from. This is the best way. Of course, PancakeSwap is what most people are using. It is one of the bigger decentralized exchanges out there. So this is the one that is also my preferred method. So PancakeSwap is where you will be getting their token. As I said, owning their token is giving you quite a few different privileges and rewards and things, staking rewards and governance. Here you can actually go into the governance. You can go and vote once you have the token, of course, and everything. So definitely there is a lot to unpack here. I'm not going to go through all of these features because I'm not doing a tutorial on this, but I just wanted to quickly show you what the dashboard looks like. As soon as you get your miner, you start getting the rewards. 24 hours after you start, you will get them in your dashboard. So this is really a game changer, making Bitcoin mining something that anyone can dive in without the headaches of setting up mining operations. Seriously, it's like mining made fun and simple for everyone. I checked about the energy consumption and I found that they initially operate at the base energy efficiency of 35 watts per terahash. However, you have the option to upgrade your contracts to achieve an impressive 15 watts per terahash. This is what I used in my contract. On top of this, you can get discounted rates and other perks with their native Go Mining token. You get 10% discount on electricity costs, making this a very cost-effective option for managing mining expenses. Also, you can pay a lower transaction fees when using their token, just like we do with BNB on Binance or KCS on KuCoin and other exchanges. Discounted fees also for maintenance you will pay. For example, up to 20% maintenance discount when holding enough Go Mining tokens for 360 days of maintenance. There's governance rights too, allowing us to influence decisions related to rewards distribution and other operational aspects. Staking rewards with annual percentage rates from 22%. This is great because it means people will choose to hold this token for longer periods and get staking rewards. You also get access to upgrades and other services, so there's utility for the token, which I like. It means that it will be needed by the users, and this is important. And there's also a token burn mechanism implemented too. Just recently there was a token burning event with nearly 1.5 million tokens being burned and only 1.2 million newly minted. That this is in effect a deflationary supply model, which I really like. And of course, the token is already listed on 9 exchanges, including PancakeSwap, which I just showed you. It's on Huobi, Gate, MEXC, BitGet, Bitfinex, BingX, Bitmart, and Lbank. So quite a lot to choose from. I mean, MEXC, BitGet, Gate.io, these are already covering most of the people that I know in our community. I know that most of you guys already have accounts with those, PancakeSwap as well. So definitely the crypto corner community, we are covered. And even the NFTs that are offered by Go Mining, they're not just digital collectibles. They can be upgraded to enhance their mining power and energy efficiency, thus increasing your daily rewards. The earnings potential is closely tied to Bitcoin's market price, meaning users can expect an average annual percentage rate of approximately 30%, making these NFTs particularly attractive, in my opinion. And then another question that I had was, are there any major partnerships and affiliations with other notable players in the crypto industry? And the answer is yes. There are partnerships which include Binance Pool, Bitmain, CoinDesk, as well as being a member of the Bitcoin Mining Council, an initiative led by Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy, which further solidifies their credibility in the industry and aligns with the best practices in sustainable Bitcoin mining, which I really like as well. And not to mention that they have the lowest possible entry point in mining. It's about $25, so it's ideal for a test. And they have 9 data centers with significant computational power, offering the lowest electricity rates. So from what I see, they're using state-of-the-art technology while maintaining low operational expenses, which means they can offer more competitive earnings compared to other mining platforms with higher operational costs. And not only this is much cheaper than setting up a mining rig at home, it's also far more simple. I know many people who wanted to mine Bitcoin and were, buying mining rigs and everything. And literally after 6, 7, 8 months, they need to upgrade their mining rigs. And these are super, super expensive. While here, your contract is whatever you choose to pay. You have the liberty to actually just use a few $100 that you have set on the side, or maybe if you have, bigger amounts, a few thousand, then you can really look at some passive income stream. This is the best part. If you like how things work, you can upgrade your contract. You can add more hashing power, get bigger earnings, or you can choose not to. It's up to you. This can be very simple, hands-off, passive income on the side. I always like to add several different passive income streams so that, aside from everything that I'm doing on a daily basis and the trading and everything else, I can have some passive streams that I don't really have to worry about. It's kind of set it and forget it. This is that kind of thing. I set it up once, then I can forget about it for months. And every once in a while, I will check the progress, make sure that the rewards are coming in and that everything is running smoothly, and that's it. And there's even a trial mining period lasting between 5 to 15 days right now, so even more of a reason to give it a try. Use my coupon for extra discount. You get 5% discount with the coupon corner. And during this first testing week, we allocated a bonus miner with 16 terahash of power, allowing us to experience the mining process firsthand. The Go Mining dashboard has very intuitive interface, as you saw, where you can monitor your mining efficiency, your power usage, and accumulated rewards. So it's all good. And of course, the Go Mining tokens, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, facilitating transactions for NFT purchases and covering maintenance costs. These tokens can be acquired by decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap or centralized exchanges like MEXC. They often run various promotions, including my promo code CORNER that gives you the 5% discount on purchases, so make sure to use that one. And last but not least, their token pays staking rewards and yield farming rewards. So if you are holding that token, not only you will be getting staking rewards, but you can actually be a liquidity provider and get even extra rewards from that. So quite a few ways to earn passively with this here, and I really like it. So far so good for me. So give it a try, see how it works for you. Let me know in the comments if you like this and if you want me to find more of these platforms and things that you can use to earn passively crypto in the meantime. So this is everything for this video, guys. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. Make sure to check out the links in the description below where I drop the links for this project, and of course my 5% discount code. Make sure to use this one as well. And you will also find some other links in there, helpful links. You can sign up for my newsletter. Once a month, I'm sending a newsletter with my market analysis and news and insights and updates and things that you actually need to be alerted about, so that you know what's happening in crypto, so that you know what's happening with your money, and you can have a much more profitable crypto journey. So make sure to grab that link, or you can scan the QR code that you're seeing here on the screen. Also, you will find some links to some of my free ebooks in there and other services that I'm using and that I'm recommending to you. So this is it. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.